Hey friends, if you wish to use Storage Sense in Windows 11 to free up disk space, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for storage in the Windows search bar and then go to storage settings. Wait till it loads. Now you'll find Storage Sense. Obviously it is on by default, but what does it do? So uh, it will free up the disk space. If the disk space is low, then it will clean up the temporary files. It will delete files in the recycle bin every 30 days, and it will delete files in the downloads folder never unless you specify a date. So I prefer it at never. This is what Storage Sense does, and this keeps your system clean. Otherwise, the mess will keep on piling up. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.